As an Iyengar practitioner, I am weary of International Yoga Day's usual Bakwasana. Last week, our no longer Maha CM instructed us to make yoga a part of daily living. Hello G. Aren't we already forced to do this with all genres of authority, from traffic cop to top boss? It's mostly stretching in supplication via dog pose, Adho Mukha Svansana. Some do it with a hint of defiance, via upward-facing Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Everyone must submit to back bends, forward bends and supine positions since everyone, bar none, has someone above him, her. Elections are the time for inversions, when, below, become, above, and Aam Janta revels in victorious breath, Ujjayi Pranayama. Politicians don't need Eknath Shinde's advice. They are adept at so many poses, but not everyone is called yogi. Here are some common Netasanas. Padmasana remains top of the pops, even if this time it wasn't quite the tom-tommed lotus feet. Sirsasana is the uncrowned king of yoga poses. Our ruler party's braggadocio too was made to stand on its head. Fittingly, for yoga aims at taming ego. Queen pose is Sarvangasana. In body politic too, all parts have to be fully stretched. In yoga sequence, Sarvangasana is followed by Halasana. Netas are furiously perfecting this plough pose after farmers showed that you can't reap electoral yields by sowing despair. Undivided Shiv Sena owned Dhanurasana since bow, along with arrow, was its symbol. Now allotted to Shinde's breakaway faction. Our Eknath Ji must work at Virabhadrasana 1 to show that he's still the standing archer. Maharashtra politics itself has been a Trikonasana with dizzying variations of Sena, NCP and BJP. Now Delhi too submits to this triangle. BJP's NDA is still at its head, but without Naidu Nitish, there'd be no tail. With coalitions inevitable, political landscape resembles one mega class perfecting only one pose, bridge building Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. It needs total alertness since one member may suddenly rock the boat with Navasana. Then, as in every yoga session, the ruling alliance could end in corpse like Savasana.